Myntri badang Shah Jied Thymmai hagatnat Labour ba Methodist karu ulashime kesin jamban perkheng ke jengwan rum kertep jong kibri ke bedambar ban Bniah dai ko hok jugit rashno unu Myntri Khmih Bniah biang ya barogi policy Treikam hapok katnat ban penkelala da idon kam ula ong bahadien belada penjudut Bniah bhai ki policy Treikam un sepelong ke jengmut lang ban baro penmarai ke rukom Treikam ka baklan Ula ongru bahadien bala dep man puli Bniah bhai ke policy Treikam on salak ban lap ki juduna baro ban wat ki lat kilenti kumnu ban penjana ya ka ula ong ba on Khmih Bniah ru halor ke rukom ai ke labor license Shah ki break bawana bar ke jela
I'm looking forward that how we can strengthen this labor department and how this department can protect the labor, the interests of the employee as well as the employer. But how to do that, like what I said, we need to have a review with the department, and then we will see what are the policies that they've been following till now, where we need to improve and where we need to maybe we need to come up with some new amendment and all. So that I will have to do it with after the review meeting. On this particular subject, I would again have first reviewing with the meeting with them what they have done in the last few months and what are the steps that have been taken, to protect the interests of our people of the state, and also not hampering the work that is here right now. So that I will have first review meeting with them.
Khanglad and Greater Shillong progress